bought the house 2.5 years ago, and it's a 1960 original, and all of the windows needed to be replaced. The bedroom windows wouldn't open, and that's where our kids sleep, so we needed them to be able to, for safety reasons, open the windows. We definitely looked around, but I trusted the employees and the owners of Acme, so it wasn't a hard choice. They sent people out to get an idea of what we were looking for and what we wanted. They were out very quickly. They helped us pick out what windows, the color. We went and looked at the showroom windows, and when we decided we liked those, we ordered them. The installation was scheduled and done, and we were really happy with it.
So you can go a number of ways with windows. You know, the new trend is going with black on the exterior. You've got wood, you've got vinyl, you've got so many different options. It is a facelift, but if you look back how many years ago, windows are not energy efficient. Windows are very expensive, but that is something that you can provide for a facelift, the energy efficiency, the comfort, I mean, a number of ways to go with it. So really it's just depending on what are you trying to accomplish.
What we're trying to do is provide the best solution for people. It's just important that when I go out, my job is to make people understand what we're doing for them, why we're doing it, and then they can choose for themselves what's right for them. I don't care which way you go. It's your house. You're going to live with it. But I want to make sure you understand the options that are out there. And so that's what we really look to do at Acme, is to provide the options, provide the solutions, and then you tell me what's best for you.
We always recommend Acme Home Exteriors. After we had our full house windows done, a year later we went back and had a slider door installed as well. I would recommend Acme, and I would tell any of our friends and family to give them a call, have somebody come out, talk to them about what you're looking for, and they will help you if they can. I just can't recommend them enough. They made the process very easy, and we're extremely satisfied with what we've gotten from them.